Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back by for another video. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am always happy to have you. And welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. And today's video is from Facetory, one of my favorite subscriptions. And I think including this month, which I think is July's bag. I think I've been getting it for 9 months now, and I really do enjoy that and plan on continuing. Just want to give you a little information. Facetory obviously is a sheet mask subscription. It is monthly, and you can select from 2 plans. The Forever Fresh Kit, where you receive 4 masks, and that's $8.90, and that's what I receive each month. And they offer a 7 Lux plan that gets you 7 masks each month, and it's $19.90. And currently, and I will post all this down in my description box, if you sign up for the 7 Lux box, if you use code LUX, all caps LUX50, you can get 50% off your first box, bringing your first one to $9.90 or $9.95. I'm not sure what. I think it was $9.95. And then each subscription after will go back up to the $19.90. So you can save 50% on your first one. These subscriptions all come with free US shipping, and they are Korean sheet masks. I wanted to tell you that. And they do have a website that you can purchase masks from. So if you get masks in your subscription boxes and you really like them, you can go to their site and buy additional individual masks, which is nice. And then just recently they launched a new box, which is seasonal or quarterly, and they're calling this one the Summer Lux Plus. You receive 10 to 12 skincare products. Price, that's free US shipping on that also. The price is $49.95. and you're promised over $160 value, and you get 10 to 12 full-size products, not samples or deluxe samples. So that's everything I have for Facetory. So let's get right in. Like I said, this is my favorite subscription each month. I look forward to it. And it comes in a nice resealable bag, so if you wanted to keep them in there or store them in here, you can. I don't. I keep them all in my drawer. So this is what, just give you a quick peek. This is what I see when I open my bag, and it says, "You had me at Aloha." They always send a nice little postcard, so that's the picture, and then this is a little postcard. And then we get the card for July, which gives you some information and pricing on each mask, and I usually use these. Oh wow, this looks nice. So let's get right into it. The very first mask that I see is from Claire. This is Cocktail Blue Hawaiian mask. Just from the packaging alone, I would buy that. And this is made to provide exhausted skin with the nourishment it needs. This hydrating and calming sheet mask will make your skin feel like you've been on a relaxing vacation. Okay, I'm all about that. And the retail value is $3. So that's really nice. And these cards are good because if you look at the back, since these are Korean sheet masks, if you can't read Korean, you'll never be able to read that. But I like that they always have pictures if you're not sure, but but that's what this card is really good for. Sheet masks are pretty basic. And this company is Elmolu, and this is a day nature mask. And this is, it says Day Nature Mask Energizing Day. This is a brightening, nourishing, and hydrating daily sheet mask that will have your skin feeling refreshed and ready for the hot summer days. And this has a value of $2.50. That's really nice. Repairing, blemish, water drop cooling. So I like that. So then the next one, oh, this one looks nice too. And this right here is from Farm Stay, and this is Real Mango Essence Mask. Brighten up your complexion with this mango sheet mask. It's the perfect mask for a boost of hydration to help refresh your skin. And this has a value of $2.50. And then this mask here, which is interesting looking right here. This is Medi-Heal, and this is NMF Hydrating Mask. And is your skin tired after a long day of strolling along the park and basking in the sun? This sheet mask provides calming and healing properties that will boost the moisture of your skin, leaving it plump, dewy, and healthy. And this has a value of $2.50. And then what do we have here? Oh, now we're getting a little book. So now this is the first month that I've ever seen, and this is about their, I guess their products and their masks that they offer. So basically it's just giving us information about some of the masks. It just gives you different examples. Okay, well that's interesting. I will look at this off camera. You know, basically how to apply the different steps. Look how cute the back of that is. That's adorable. Okay, so this is going to be, this obviously is a quicker one because there's only 4 items to go over. So we have 4 really nice sheet masks. And I'll just try to fan them out so that you can see them here. So these are the 4 sheet masks that we got for the month of July 2019 from Facetory. And that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.